Hi, in the previous video we showed how to use the PC, upload the configuration and also the settings to this touch control screen. And next we're going to show how can we upload those configuration to the iPad or the Android tablets. So basically if you want to use the application on the iPad or tablets, we need to use a Wi-Fi router. Okay, so I'm going to show how we use this iPad for the controls. So first step, we just need to make sure and the Wi-Fi is connected to this Wi-Fi router. Okay, check it out. So now it's connected. Then we back to the home page, and we already have the DVSTool application downloaded, but we also can just search the DVSTool in the Apple Store. Then we can find the same application. Okay, so before we log in, enter into system, we'll just go back to the home page, and then we also need to go to the setting icon, and then we need to open server as well. So after we open server, it also shows the IP address of this iPad here. It's 192.1.7. Okay, for the Android tablet, it's going to be the same, but we just upload the configuration to this iPad first. We're back to the PC control software, and also same, we just change the IP address to the iPad. 1.7, click upload data, success, upload configuration, click yes. Okay, so now it's already uploaded, and we'll just back to the iPad and check it out. It shows as success as well. Then we just can click exit. Now we can see in the two places we created, we're already setting it on the iPad as well. Okay, now I'm just going to use the iPad for the switching to check it out. Let's just come through the video wall first. Okay, video wall, and have it zoom it. Okay, we got a small window here. Open the window here, choose the source. One window, another window, one more window. Right, and choose the input source 1. It's not source. Okay, so now we already have several windows on the video wall and using the iPad. With respect to the, we can also clear all. We can recall the presets which received in the PC software. Okay, so it's back. We also can recall another presets. Recall. Okay, it's back. And now we can back to the home page, and let's control the mattress switcher. So we click the mattress switcher, and we just clear all of them, and also record presets first. So it's back now. Clear all, and drag to the screen. Another one. Drag to the source. Open window. Okay, now we got the iPad is controlling. Now I'm going to show we use the Android tablet. The same, we need to make sure the Wi-Fi is connected. So we'll just go to the setting first and check it out, the Wi-Fi connections. Have it connect. So it's already connected. We just back to the home page and DVSTool software. And the same, we'll just back to the home page first and click the setting icon. Also, we need to open server first. So it's already open, and the IP address of this iPad is 192.168.1.1.8. So back to the PC control software, uploading the same contents, upload data. Okay, check out the IP address first again. So it's .1. So I need to change the IP address here. So it's .8. Now we can upload data. We need to turn off the Wi-Fi just because my Wi-Fi is the same as the EVIP system. Okay, so let's try again. So success. Click OK. So on the Android tablet, it also shows success now. Okay, so now we can just exit So the same as the iPad video wall, and remove the source. Okay, remove the source on the video wall, or we can just make it as a small screen and drag a source to the screen here. Okay, change the size of the video wall, shifts up, remove, record a presets. Okay, record the first presets. Okay, and back to the home page, and we got the matrix switcher for these two screens. Okay, clear all, and then we just switch this one to all these screens, and switch this one to all screens, and record the presets. Okay, thank you.